Electric vehicles, or EVs, are taking the world by storm in 2024. From Tesla to Ford to new startups, EVs are no longer just a niche market. They're becoming the go-to choice for consumers and businesses alike. Sales have skyrocketed, and many countries are committing to phasing out gasoline cars entirely in the next decade. One of the biggest trends is the expansion of charging infrastructure. More charging stations are popping up everywhere: gas stations, shopping malls, and even at home. This makes owning an EV more convenient than ever. Fast charging technology is improving too, allowing drivers to recharge in under 30 minutes. Governments are playing a major role in this shift. Many are offering tax incentives and rebates to encourage EV purchases, which is driving demand. In fact, some countries are setting ambitious goals to ensure that the majority of vehicles on the road will be electric by 2030. But it's not just about the cars themselves. The entire ecosystem is changing. Companies are investing in renewable energy to power charging stations, and some are even exploring vehicle-to-grid technology, allowing EVs to send energy back to the grid during peak demand. Concerns about battery production and disposal are also being addressed. Innovations in battery recycling and the development of sustainable materials are on the rise, helping to mitigate environmental impacts. The question remains, will EVs fully replace traditional vehicles? While challenges exist, the momentum is undeniable. As more consumers embrace this technology, the future of transportation is looking electric. Stay tuned for more insights on the evolving world of electric vehicles.